How does Cash App Stocks work? So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's talk about the Cash App Stocks. So first things first, you need to have some cash balance of course to be able to even meddle with or touch anything related to stocks. So ensure that you have enough cash balance first. After that, simply scroll down a bit under Save and Interest and click on Stocks. In the stocks, this is where you will be able to see how much you have invested. Scrolling down a bit, you will be able to see the different stock owned that you have from different platforms. For example, Coinbase, Roblox, and so on and so forth. You could open one of these platforms if you want, and you are able to actually sell or buy more stocks. As you can see here, there are buy and sell options. You could also give it to someone else if you prefer. You are able to view your statistics on your different investments on different platforms over here as you scroll down. You will be able to see total value, total gain, and so on and so forth. You could also purchase over here a certain amount of stocks that you want to have, and after that, you should be able to also see the update that will appear on your main page over here, which is basically a compilation of your altogether stocks. So that's basically how you will be able to utilize the Cash App stocks. So eventually it will go up or it will go down depending on the stock market, but that is how you will be able to do it or use it on the Cash App. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.